Here I've got REALME X50 5G, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps. Go to the settings then and mark fingerprint, face and password. Here click on add fingerprint, and just remember that if you forget your lock screen password, you will be unable to unlock your phone or recover your phone data. Okay, thanks for notification, tap on continue, and at first you have to set up some backup pattern or pin code. It can be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Use it anyway, even though it's quite easy one. And now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor, which is here. So just tap here and keep tapping until your fingerprint is fully added. And just adjust it with the finishing touches. And as you can see, it is done. And from now on, you will be able to unlock your device either with this fingerprint only, or you can use this backup pattern. If, for example, you will give your phone to your friends, they will be able to unlock it by using this password. And this is it. This is how you can protect your REALME X50. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.